Welcome to North Stratford, New Hampshire. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath ranch offers easy one-level living with peaceful views of the Connecticut River and downtown. Inside, enjoy an open-concept kitchen, dining, and living area, perfect for entertaining or relaxing after a day outdoors. The home also features 2 cozy bedrooms, a full bath, and a mudroom with laundry at the main entrance. The full basement has been spray foamed for energy efficiency and offers great storage or potential for extra living space, a home gym or game room. Step outside to a spacious deck, ideal for grilling and outdoor dining, plus a 1-car garage for added convenience. With direct access to snowmobile and ATV trails, plus nearby hunting, fishing, and more, this move-in ready home is a perfect year-round retreat or smart rental investment, all at an affordable price.